You know, it smacks of, and the silence coming from the government of India, smacks of total surrender to the whims and fancies of a US president. US president first, the trade that was going on between India and the United States was a healthy trade, strategic interests and strategic deepening of friendship had happened, but it was disrupted. From a 3% tariff, it moved to 55% tariff, to now an 18% tariff, and BJP is trying to tell us that it's a success story. And this tariff has come at what cost? That we have surrendered our strategic rights, our strategic interests, and our energy security needs on the whims and fancies of United States of America. And the language is exactly that. The language comes from a space of arrogance that they know that India has surrendered the choice that they can make, the independent choices that they can make. So it's shameful, and the government of India needs to clarify to us, and we have been repeatedly saying this. This trade agreement has not come at the back of equal opportunities on equal terms. It's an unfair trade agreement. Tell us what was compromised for you to get this trade deal, and why were these compromises made with United States of America? There's nobody to tell us where we buy oil from, at what price we buy it, who we buy it from. This is not something that comes in US's domain. That is one and only India's responsibility, Indians' responsibility, the government of India's responsibility, which they have sacrificed at the altar of power.